Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to take a look at the Rotate and Scale tool, and why it's something you should really explore and learn how to use. Because once you learn and understand the Rotate and Scale tool, it will help you be extremely efficient in Maya. Rotate and Scale are the other two manipulation tools that we can use in Maya. Now, as we said before, the hotkey for rotation is the letter E, and the hotkey for scale is the letter R, so we're going to go ahead and select the Rotate tool and select an object. Now when I select an object, you'll see that this gizmo comes up, which is very different from the Move gizmo. This has the three axes as circles. And then it has a kind of a cyan-colored circle around the outside. Now this is pretty straightforward. If you want to rotate along a specific axis, you just highlight that circle. So in this case the red or the x-axis, and I can rotate along that axis. If I rotate along the blue axis, that's Z, and then if you can see it, it's almost the same size as the cup here. But the y-axis is the vertical axis. Now we also have this cyan axis around the outside, and that will rotate around whatever angle the camera is at. So it's basically view dependent. So if I were to be in this view, it would rotate basically perpendicular to the camera. Now if you want to, you can click in between these, and you get kind of a free-form rotation, which again, I find is helpful, but I tend to stick to going one axis at a time, because I find it to be a little bit more precise. Now you can left-click multiple objects, and rotate them as well. And you can also scale objects. So let's take a look at how the Scale tool works. If I activate the Scale tool and select an object, you'll see we get something that is probably a little bit more like the Move tool. So we have these three axes, which allow you to scale along very specific axes. And this is the Z-axis. We can go up and down. So that's the y-axis. We can also scale along two axes at a time. So if I click on this box, that will scale only along floor plane, or the y-axis. This will scale along this axis. And if we click in the middle, we have uniform scale, which is probably something you will use quite a bit. So in this case, that center scale works pretty well for scale. Now again, you can select multiple objects and scale them as you wish. So these two tools combined with the Move tool will allow you to manipulate objects, move them, and position them however you want. So go ahead and practice the Rotate and Scale tool, and get used to it. We hope you will like it. Let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.